welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm glad you have. Today I am showing you my first DIY junk journal. This is the very first time I attempted this and I had so much fun throughout the process. Before we get into it, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So today I'm going to be trying to make tea-stained paper in preparation for a junk journal, and this is my very first time. I have 5 cups of water and 5 Lipton tea bags, and I let them steep in this pot for 15 minutes. And I'm just going to pour in my hot tea. I'm going to bake the paper for a few minutes at 295 degrees just to get them to dry. The paper literally dries in just a couple of minutes, so you want to stay by close and check it frequently. So here is how the tea stains paper came out. I have some plain, some with lines, some doilies, some index cards, and I even did this paper here, and some of the index card lines transferred, but I think that kind of looks cool. And this was an original page from the journal, and it's super old, but it says Ilene's diary, and it has these cats, so I'm going to see if there's a place for this in the junk journal. So, because I love cats, I'm going to be using this journal that's from when I was really young. I took the whole thing apart and I used some of this cardboard here. I cut to size because that's going to be my spine. And my spine I'm going to cover in fabric. So you can see the spine is going to fit, it's cut to size, and the way we're going to attach it is using this fabric. And I have this cat fabric. And I'm going to be using my Ilene's tacky glue. So I'm going to wrap this all the way around to the inside of the book, and I want the seams to come around into the inside of the book. So yeah guys, this is the first time I'm doing this kind of process with a junk journal, and I'm going to be just winging it. It's a junk journal, it's not meant to be perfect, and I'm kind of excited to make this and see how it comes out. So I'm giving it like a kind of a generous amount of glue here, and now I'm going to place down my fabric. So I'm just making sure everything's lined up. Everything is kind of lined up pretty nicely right now. And now I'm just going to add the glue to the inside here. And I'm just going to smooth out some of the glue so it doesn't completely ooze out. And I'm going to pull this pretty tight and press it on down. So the fabric is dry, and you can see now I have a larger spine, and I'm just going to use this purple trim that I have, and I'm just going to kind of finish off these edges and glue that in place all the way through. Here's my book now. The spine's on, the trim is on, and that's the back side for now. So now that we got our book ready, it's time to work on the page. So my papers are all together, lined up, and now I'm ready to start binding them into my journal. So I made a little template with 3 dots so that I could make sure the holes match up to the book. So now that I have my template lined up, I'm going to use this awl to poke my holes through. And I have a book underneath that I don't mind poking a hole into. How sharp this awl is, I tell you. I didn't think it would poke so simply. Now I'm up through this last hole and you simply run your needle under that string, and then you just tie it off. So the stitching is all complete. You see it here on the back of the spine, and all my pages are now nicely inside. All we gotta do now is start decorating the pages to make them look a little bit more extra special. And then that's gonna be it for this DIY, guys. So my junk journal is finally complete with all its little embellishments. So I'm gonna show that now. So on the edge here, I attached this tassel using a jump ring, and I poked a small hole with my awl. I decided for the closure, I've seen somebody else do this, where they took one of these binder clips, attached some chain, and this way it's expandable, and if you did ever need to make your chain bigger, you could do so. And I hung off the chain this little I love my cat charm, and this fell off a keychain a long while back, so I saved it. I didn't know what I would do with it, and now I found a purpose. So now inside the book, this is the inside cover, and I just put some of my cat stickers here, and this is one of those magnets. Then inside the first page is this paper here, and I put a little lace over that fabric that I covered off the stitching. Over here I made a tuck space, and I put this paper on an index card that matched the cover of the book here. So that's a little tuck spot. I made another little tuck spot here with a tag, and this was a cat that I cut off a calendar and I put a backside so you could journal on that too. This was a piece of an envelope I cut off the pink, and I used that butterfly paper just to add some contrast to it, and another index card tuck spot here. This was an old cat postcard that I had laying around, so I put that in the book. Then I got this little fold out spot here. I added a little tab over there. Some fabric on this piece of paper. So on this page I just added a little piece of lace as a tag, and I added this little corner spot as a tuck-in spot. For now I just put this postcard of a cat I've had, and it lifts up so you can journal in that little secret spot. This is just another little tuck spot, and I added this little paw print sticker over there on the doily. This is just an envelope. I added this fabric or furry washi tape over there. You could tuck stuff inside, and I added a piece of paper strip on the edging there. This tea stain paper I really like, guys. I let the iron sit on here too long, and it kind of came out really cool. I'm just glad it didn't go on fire. Little spot there. This is the middle of my book where the fabric is, and I added some of that little lace trim, and I left my strings from the binding, and I like that look over there. Over here I got these little cats from the calendar. I cut them out, and these are little picture frame stickers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and it's actually clear on top, and it looks really cute. It looks like it was one big sticker, but it's really clear. You can put anything you want in there. And then here's a little tuck spot, and for now all I have in here are just some things like if I want to look at them or whatnot. But one was, I told you guys that I was going to try and use this front page, and I laminated it. This was from my original diary when I was writing in it, and same with those cat stickers. So I've always been a cat lover. And then I just tucked in some, I'm not going to get my current cats, but this cat was born in my backyard. My parents still have him. He's like, how old is he now? Almost 19. And this cat, Pumpkin, passed away. Max, Pumpkin. And this cat I still have. This is my Duke. brother who passed away. So I'm keeping these little memories just tucked in my little journal since its theme is cat. More pages. This opens up with a little tag, cat fabric. This is the other side of the postcard. This here was from a card. I took that off and I used it to like go over the paper that I didn't like the picture on. Put some of this to journal on. To stress this lined paper here, added the doily. On this side, I used my cat sticker to cover up the words I didn't like on this picture of some mail. Little tuck spot there. And that's the last page of the book, guys. I just have some stickers, and I used part of a little glassine envelope, and I put in this cat tag that I also made using the picture from calendar. And that's my junk journal. The only, last thing I don't want to forget was I used this extra piece of scrap paper to cover up the barcode that was on the book, and I just coated it with some Mod Podge, and it looks like it's, part of it now, and it shouldn't get too ruined. And that's my book, guys, and the clip fits just right here. Alright, guys, that was my very first junk journal. I loved making this. Let me know, guys, how you think I did in making my very first junk journal. I love interacting with each and every one of you, and I definitely want to hear some feedback. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Don't forget, hit that